Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss about the formation of Himalayan mountain. How Himalayan mountain were formed. We all are interested to know about the formation of Himalayan mountain. What are the reason behind it? In previous class we know about it. Our landmass are formed in different geological period of time. Okay, it's formed by the different rocks and minerals and soil. But now we focus on it. Okay, we discussed the formation of Himalayan mountain with the help of the two theory. One is Geosyncline Theory and another is plate tectonic theory. Okay, first of all, we discuss about the Geosyncline Theory. So, according to this theory, so dear student, just see the diagram. This is a continent, that means all countries are together. So, they makes a one supercontinent as the giant continent which known as Pangaea, and around the continent there is a water bodies. This water body is known as the Panthalassa. One continent, one nation. Continent known Pangaea and ocean body is known Panthalassa. So, after the duration, okay, so this Pangaea broken and drifting in different direction due to the convectional force and buoyancy force. So, this Pangaea, next see the others diagram, just think it is a Pangaea. So, this Pangaea is divided into a two part, the northern part and the southern part, northern part and southern part. Northern part is known as the Angara land and southern part is known as the Gondwanaland. And between the Angara land and Gondwanaland, there is a one sea known as Tehys Sea. That means it is a geosyncline. What is geosyncline? Geosyncline is a long, narrow, shallow, mobile zone of water. I repeat this one again: long, narrow, shallow, mobile zone of water body. So, this Tehys Sea separate the Pangaea into two parts, north and south. North part is known as Angara land and it is also known as Laurasia. And the southern part is known as the Gondwanaland. So, Angara land from the Russia, Europe, North America, and Gondwanaland from the India, Africa, South America, Australia. Okay. So, this landmass are separate to the time. Okay. So, next we see the cross profile of Angara land and Gondwanaland, and between the Angara land and Gondwanaland there is a Tehys Sea. So, think all drainage, either water channel, they are reach to the Tehys Sea, they carry the water to the Tehys Sea, and also they bring the sediments along with. Okay. So, all drainage channel are fall into a Tehys Sea, and also they bring the sediment, and this sediment deposit at the bottom of Tehys Sea. Due to the continuous deposition of the sediment, the volume of the sediment is increased. So, due to the increase of the sediments, what will happen? The depth of the Tehys gradually decreased. The height of the water level will be increased. Okay. And it's gradually create a pressure on the bottom of Tehys Sea. At the bottom of Tehys Sea. Due to the huge deposition of the sediment at the bottom of the Tehys Sea, that lead to the downward movement of the bottom of the Tehys. Downward movement of the Tehys. Due to the downward movement, the Angara land and Gondwanaland both are moved towards each other. Both are moved towards each other. When both Angara land and Gondwanaland moves towards each other, so what will happen? It's create a pressure on the sediment that deposit on the Tehys, at the bottom of Tehys. So this sediment are feel the pressure. Due to the pressure, this sediment are squeeze and crumble and move upward. Due to the movement of the Angara land and Gondwanaland, it create a pressure on the sediment that deposit on the at the bottom of the Tehys. These sediment are then squeezed and crumble and uplifted and from the Himalayan mountain, as we seen the youngest folded mountain, the Himalayan mountain. So through geosyncline theory, we try to understand how Himalayan mountain were formed. After that, we discuss about the tectonic theory. Tectonic theory, we all know that our lithosphere are divided into a several part, each part known as the plate, and these plates are from the earth surface. Due to the movement, so we now focus on the formation of Himalayan mountain. So due to the movement of these plates, they are collide with each other. So in that case, there is a two big plate. One is Eurasian plate in the north and another is Indo-Australian plate in south. So due to the movement of the both plates, both are collide with each other, and sediment between the two plates, they are feel the pressure and squeeze and move upward and form the youngest and newest Himalayan mountain.